Yeah, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is kingsfx trader and I am very excited today to show you something. I think this video is for beginners. All right? Yeah, if you are a complete beginner, you don't know anything about trading, but you just need a strategy. You need a strategy that is very easy, simple to use and profitable. You need easy strategy, simple strategy and profitable strategy at the same time, and also strategy that works both on boom, crash, volatility, step index, jump, range break, any of them, currency pairs. You need a strategy, a particular strategy that works in all, and it's very simple, easy and profitable. Here is the video guys, stick around. Here is the video that you need. Just watch this video if you are both beginner, advanced, forex trader, anyone that you are. This strategy is going to help you out. So if you are new in this channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. Yeah, I drop forex trading strategies like this one. Okay, I drop forex trading strategies on this channel. I drop forex trading guide and vital information once it comes to trading. So here is your home. Destroy that red subscribe button for me. Then already, if you are my trader, you know what we do. Please smash that like button also and share this video already. Start sharing the video already, because you know I cannot give you anything less than the best. Okay guys, so now we have volatility 75 right here. So what is this strategy? We are going to be adding just moving averages. Okay, just two moving averages. That's why I say this strategy is simple, easy and profitable. Now I will go here to my indicator section, then search for moving average. Okay, look at the moving average here. I'll tap on it. You can see the line is already there. I'll click it again and you have the second line there. Okay, so I just have to go out, go here. I think we have three. We just need two moving averages. You can see this one and this one. So I have to set it up. So once you click on this setting, but that is the setting right here, format, you come to this place, you see the input, you change it to 50. All right, that input you change it to 50. Then you come here and increase this, the style. Have to increase this to, you can see it's bold now. Okay, after that you click on done, which is okay. All right, you go back to set the second one, which is our second moving average. Okay, then we go to the input. The input is going to, the length is going to be 21. Okay, then the offset is, it will be different now. The offset, you are going to keep clicking here to reduce it to 21. Okay, now it's 21. We then go to style, change this color to red. Okay, or any color of your choice. Then increase this. It's now bold, right? Click on done. All right, how do we trade this strategy? That is the question. How do we kind of use this simple strategy to make a lot of money? This is, you see, we are done with the settings just within few minutes. It's not even up to a minute. We are done with the settings. Okay, you are done with the settings. What you need to do is start trading. What is the condition? This is not, you don't even need to know the trend. You don't need to know support and resistance. You don't even need to know any candlestick pattern. You don't need anything. You don't need any prior knowledge on forex trading. All you need is to add these indicators and you start making money. Yeah, this is not the time I will ask you, okay, check the trend. This is not the time I will ask you to check patterns or check candlestick formation, check consolidation, check if there is a quick rejection and all those things. This one, I've decided to make a research to bring to you the simplest, easy to use and profitable strategy here on my channel. And it can be used, you can use this strategy on anything. As long as trading is concerned, as long as chart is concerned, you can use it both volatility, step index, boom and crash and all that. Now the condition is very simple. Okay, once this chart, once you see this chart between these two lines, okay, this is just like a resistance here and this is just like a support. All right, once the price keep moving between these lines, okay, once the red line is below this chart and the blue line is above, okay, look at the point we should enter our sell right here. At this point we should take our sell. Okay, at this point we should enter a sell. because the price currently is below blue line and is above the red line. Okay, once the price is below the blue line up here and above the red line down here, you keep selling. Just click that sell button and leave it. As long as, look at the condition, as long as the price is between these two lines, that means if the price is below the blue line and above the red line, you can see here the price is below the blue line and above the red line, we sell and keep riding this trade. As long as the price is between these two lines, we keep riding the trade until the price breaks out of this line. Once the price leaves these two lines, then you close your trade. But you can see here, assuming you sold here, guys, if you assuming you sold this volatility here right there, you see that you'll be riding this trade down to this point and you keep holding your trade because the price is still ranging between these two lines. The price is still moving down through these two lines. This is just like a channel. I've decided to bring this moving average that will serve as a channel that forwards the price downward or upward. Okay, once the price is between that two lines, once the price is below the blue line moving average, 50 moving average, or above the second moving average, which is the red moving average right there, then keep selling, guys. Keep selling, keep selling, keep selling. All right, so if you shift back to see how the price reacts, you can see here you would have sold here. All right, let's shift and see. You could have sold this place. Okay, here is just this price is ranging here, so you would have sold here and keep riding this trade down. Okay, look at this point. This is not a good kind of good one here, but you could have, if you buy this market here, at least you take some pips. Okay, once the price break out of this line, you take profits. Once the price leaves this red line, you take profit. Okay, even though it went up a bit after the breakout, you have to take profit at this point. As long as the price have kind of broken out of that red line above, when you are buying, you take profit at this point. And you can see what happened. Assuming you have been on this trade, you can see this pullback, the movement back, and you will lose almost the whole profit you made. So once you enter here a buy here and you keep riding this trade, once this momentum candlestick pull out of this line here, you take your profit. Okay, now you can see that this is you keep taking, or taking this kind of trade. You see here, when the price enter between these two lines, you buy here and you hold this trade until this place. You can see where you take profit. This is very simple. That's why I like this. After researching and trying to put this thing together, when I discovered this channel, how to create this channel, and I created it, and I've been monitoring it to see how it works, you discover that this channel shows you your entry point and your exit point. That's why I say this particular strategy is for beginners. Even though if you don't know anything about trading, you already have your entry point when the price break this support resistance and enter into this two channel. Okay, this channel right here, this between these two lines. So once the price enter there, you buy. Once the red line is above the chart and the blue line is below the chart, you are buying. Okay, you are in a business of buying. Okay, but when the red line is below the chart and the blue line is above the chart, you are selling. Currently you can see the red line is above the chart and the blue line is below the chart, and the chart is between these two lines. You are buying right here. Once you buy until the price break the red line, look at the point you will sell. You will sell at this point. Okay, once you sell, you wait for the price to enter again. Now the price entered here. This is not a very good market. Okay, the price entered here. You could have sold at this point and take this trade. When it breaks out here, you close your trade. Okay, you still pick some pips. This is amazing. With this strategy, you will hardly lose trade. With this strategy, you will hardly lose trade. You can see here, you buy, the price moves down and break out of this place, you sell. Sorry, at this point you sell. As it enters this point, remember the blue line is above, so you are selling. The red is below. So once you sell at this point, get to this point, you close your trade and take profit. Once the price break out of this red line, you take profit. Okay, so let's go to other. This is boom 1000. You can see what is happening here. Boom 1000, the same thing applicable. That's why I said this strategy is one of the simplest strategy ever. You cannot see this thing on any YouTube channel. I bet you, if you see it, send a screenshot of this strategy to my comment section. Say, maybe tag me as a kingsfx. I saw this strategy in this channel. You cannot see this kind of strategy in any channel. Strategy that is simple, easy to use, and profitable at the same time. The strategy shows you your entry point and also show you your exit point. All right, here now is the entry point here. The price getting here, or at this point also is the first entry point. The price gets into here, you sell, you wait for it. You could have either you close your trade here or you hold. When it enters here again, you sell and you keep riding the trade till now the price is still kind of between this channel. Okay, you keep riding the trade until this price. Now you can see the current price right now. It has been respecting that price until it breaks above this blue line before you close your trade. Okay, you see, if you scroll back, you see this thing happening. Look at the point. Look at this. You can see this. The price entered, you sell. You can see where you close your trade. This strategy will help you. It will help you close your trade on time, avoid losses. Okay, this is boom 1000. So if I go to the next chart, this is step index. Okay, so let me check the current price, what the price is doing. You can see here, you can see what the price is doing, that the red line is going above while the blue line is below. So we should be buying this market right here. We could have bought here, but it's still good for us to enter a buy right now. If we enter a buy, we keep riding it until the price breaks above or below these two lines. You can see what happened here. When it enters here, you sell and you write it down until it breaks this red line, then you close your trade. Okay, this is very simple, guys. It works in all. You remember this is when you see this kind of trade. Okay, sorry about this. So here you can see this looks choppy, but you can still do something. If you sell here, it breaks out, you close your trade. This is, you can see I've been testing this thing out. Even though if you buy, for instance, if you enter here and you buy here, you enter your trade, you buy here and the price move up, pull back a bit, you closed here. Remember, you are not losing anything. Look at where you bought and look at where you closed the trade. It's almost at the same point. So even when the price is the market is choppy, you can still make some money and you can still enter a trade. That's why I said you don't need to learn anything about support, resistance, trend line, trending market, ranging market, and all that. You can just use this thing, enter your trade, and enjoy. Okay, you can see here you sell, you keep riding the trade until it breaks out either above or below before you close your trade, guys. This is a ranging market here, so you can see it works well on a trending market, and you can still use it. You can trade it on a ranging market too. So let's see. This is jump 50. Okay, currently we should be buying jump 50, right? We should be doing what? Buying jump 50, because the blue line is below, the red line is above. We should be buying jump 50 right now. Okay, let's see how this thing has been working. Look at this point. You could have bought here and you ride this trade to this point, closes here, and you see this pullback. Guys, this is one of the best strategy. Look at this. Look at this, guys. This is how you enjoy trading. At this point, you could have bought here, maybe when it entered here. Okay, you see, sorry, you could have sold because the red line is below. Remember, once the red line is below this chart, you are selling. When the blue line is below this chart, you are buying. So pay attention to this. The red line is below. We could have sold here, and there will be a pullback a bit, and you see this price keep dropping, and can you see the movement? Can you see the movement? This just is like a channel. Once the price is into the channel, you keep riding it until the price breaks out of the channel. Okay, this strategy works well both on boom, crash. I used boom here, volatility here, step index, and even jump. Okay, so this is the best, simple, easy, profitable strategy, guys. Enjoy this strategy, guys. Smash that like button, start sharing this video, guys. Start sharing this video, help support this channel grow. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified once I release a new video, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Enjoy.